Do you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Which one of the following plant shows alternate phyllotaxy? Option 1 is sunflower. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 nerium. Option 4 is calotropis. What is the answer for this question? Alternate phyllotaxy. Very good. Minu, Chinmay.
Sir, option 1, sunflower.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Sunflower. Very good, Abhay. Next. The petule expand and become green to synthesize pudding. The question number 92.
Sir, Australian acacia.
Very good. Australian acacia. So what are the given options? Option 1 is Solanum. Option 2 is Pisum sativum. Option 3 is Venus flytrap. Option 4 is Australian acacia. Which option is the correct answer? Please message me answer. Very good.
Sir, option 4, Australian.
Option 4, the Australian acacia. Right. Next, mark the incorrect statement. Next question, question number 93. Sorry, 93. Incorrect statement. What are the given option? Flower is a modified shoot. Flower is a modified shoot. Option 2 is in cymose inflorescence. In cymose inflorescence, the main axis terminates in a flower. The main axis terminates in a flower. Option 3, flowers are borne on successive internodes on the stems and roots. Flowers are borne on successive internodes on the stem and roots.
Sir, option 3.
When a shoot is transformed into flower, the flower is solitary always. Very good. Third option is the correct. Flowers are born. Why it is incorrect? Why
Sir,
is
on
third
stem
option?
and branches.
The flowers are born on successive internodes. The successive nodes on the stem, not a roots. The root is not involved in formation of the
Flowers.
flowers. So third one is the answer. Third option is the correct answer. It's an incorrect statement, right? Next, the four whorls of a flower are arranged on the four whorls of the flower.
Thalamus.
Very good. What are the given options? Option 1 is thalamus. Option 2 is petule. Option 3 is corolla. Option 4 is the stamens. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the chat box.
Sir, option 1, thalamus.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. What is thalamus?
Sir, tip of the pedestal.
Very good. Tip of the pedicel. What is another name of the thalamus?
Receptacle.
Receptacle. Very good. Which is the outermost hole of the flower? Generally.
Calyx.
Yes, calyx. Here the first option is the correct answer. Thalamus. Next. Radial symmetry is found in the flowers of
Sir, option 1, cassia.
radial symmetry present in the flowers of. Option 1 is cassia. Option 2 is chili. Option 3 is gulmohar. Option 4 is kenna. What is the answer for this?
Option.
Very good.
Option
Option 2, chili. Abhay, second option correct answer. Chili.
Sir, chili is actinomorphic, no sir?
Actinomorphic, another name, radial symmetry.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, that's zygomorphic, the bilateral symmetry. Clear?
Okay sir.
Okay. Next, the flower of which of the following plant is zygomorphic? The flower of which of the following plant is zygomorphic? Option 1 is bean. Option 2, datura. Option 3, mustard. Option 4, kenna. What is the answer? Zygomorphic.
Option 1, bean.
Very good. Option 1 is the. Next, which of the following plant has superior ovary? Next question, question number 97. Which of the following plant has a superior ovary? Superior ovary. What are the given options? Option 1 is peach. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 is China rose. Option 4 is rose.
Option 3, China rose.
Very good. Superior ovary. Option 3 is the answer. Next. Which of the following plant has epigynous flower? Which of the following plant has epigynous flower? Option 1 is cucumber. Option 2 is brinjal. Option 3 is mustard. Option 4 is peach. What is the answer? Very good. Cucumber. First option.
Option cucumber.
Yes. First option is the correct answer. Cucumber. Next. The ray florets of sunflower has. The ray florets. The ray florets of sunflower. Option 1 is superior ovary. Option 2 is of inferior ovary. Option 3 is of superior ovary. Option 4 is inferior ovary. What is
Sir,
the answer?
option 4, inferior ovary.
Very good. Option 4 C is the correct one. Biflorates of sunflower. What are the other examples? Inferior.
Cucumber and guava.
Sir, cucumber.
Very good. Cucumber.
Cucumber and guava.
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 Guava, cucumber, biflorates of the sunflower. Right. Next question. Question number 100. Mark the incorrect match. Mark the incorrect match. Option 1 is Calotropis valvate. Option 2 is lady's finger twisted. Option 3 is Cassia
Valvate.
valvate.
Sir, option 3.
Very good. Option 3 is correct. Gulmohar imbric. What is the estimation in Cassia? Please message me answer.
Imbricate.
Very good. But here given valvate. So it's an incorrect match. So third option is the correct answer. Next. Match the column 1 with column 2 with respect to estivation.
Sir, option 4.
There. What is the estimation? A is
Valvate.
valvate. So valvate estimation, right? B,
Twisted estivation.
B is twisted. There in a twisted estimation, what is the character?
Sir, leaves overlap. Sorry. Sepals and petals overlap.
And overlap.
Overlapped, yes, there. The members of the sepals or petals are overlapped. The one edge is present
Outside.
outside
another-
and another
and the other edge is present inside, right? Next to C. C, what is the estimation?
Imbricate estivation.
C is very good. That's imbricated. C is C4, right? D,
Waxillary.
Axillary.
auxiliary. So D2. So what is the answer for this question? Option 4 is the correct answer. Next. Select an incorrect match. Option 1 is oral pilotaxy. Alstonia medium. Option 2 is alternate pilotaxy. Mustard, China rose, sunflower. Third option, opposite pilotaxy, Calotropis. Fourth option, none of these.
Fourth option, none of these.
Very good. Fourth option. In Alstomia medium, how the leaves are arranged?
Oral phyllotaxy.
Oral phyllotaxy, cyclic manner, cyclic phyllotaxy. What about in mustard, China rose and sunflower?
Alternating manner.
Sunflower, right? Alternate phyllotaxy or spiral phyllotaxy. In Calotropis,
Opposite.
Opposite phyllotaxy.
so none of these. Incorrect match. Fourth option is the correct answer. None of these. Right. Leaves become modified into spines. Leaves become modified into spines.
Upantia.
What is the answer?
Sorry, no, Upantia.
Yes, yes. What is the answer? What are the given options? Option 1 is silk cotton. Option 2, Panchia. Option 3, P. Option 4, onion. Opuntia.
Option 2, Upantia.
Very good. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, spedigerous flowers are found in. Perigenous flowers. The question number 104. Perigenous flowers are found in. Perigenous flowers. What are the given options?
Sir, option 1, rose.
Rose, very good. Option 2 is guava. Option 3, cucumber. Option 4 is China rose. What is the answer? Perigenous flowers. Very good.
Option 1, rose.
Option 1 is the correct answer. Guava, flowers are
Epigynous.
epigenous.
Sir, both in guava and cucumber.
Both are epigenous. China rose,
Hypogynous.
hypogenous. So, perigenous flower is the rose. First option is the correct answer. Next, when the margins of sepals or petals overlap one another without any particular direction, the condition is
Imbricate.
termed as
Imbricate estivation.
very good. Imbricate. Option 1 is maxillary. Option 2 is imbricate. Option 3 twisted. Option 4 valvate. What is the question? What is the answer Nanu, for this question? Question number? Not quite. Not? Right, 105. Question number 105. When the margins of sepals or petals overlap and one another without any particular direction. What is the answer?
Sir, option 2, imbricate.
Very good. Option 2.
Option 2, imbricate.
Yes, yes. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next. 106. In China rose the flowers are In China rose, the flowers are. The first option is actinomorphic epigynous with valvate estivation. Actinomorphic epigynous with valvate estivation. Next, second one, zygomorphic hypogynous with imbricate estivation. IA, imbricate estivation, right? Third option is zygomorphic epigynous with the twisted estivation. TA, twisted estivation. Option 4 is actinomorphic hypogynous with the twisted estivation. In general, flowers are, which option is correct answer?
Option 4, sir.
Very good, option 4. In general, the flowers are actinomorphic.
Option 4, sir.
Hypogynous, twisted estivation. Right, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, 107. Phyllodes is present in. Option 1 is Australian acacia. Option 2 is
Option one.
Acacia. Option 3 asparagus. Option 4 euphorbia. Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer.
Option 1, Australian acacia.
Very good. First option is the correct answer. Option 1. Next, 108. Cymose inflorescence is present in. Cymose inflorescence is present in. What are the given options? Option 1 is trifolium, brassica, option 3 solanum, option 4 sesbalia. What is the answer? Cymose inflorescence is present in. Option 1 trifolium, option 2 brassica. Very good.
Sir, option 3, solanum.
Solanum. Option 3 is the correct. Solanum. Right. Flowers are zygomorphic. Next question. Question number 109. Flowers are zygomorphic. Flowers are zygomorphic. Zygomorphic in option 1 datura, option 2 mustard, option 3 gulmohar, option 4 tomato.
Option 3, gulmohar.
Very good. Flowers are zygomorphic. Option 3.
Sir, in tomato?
Tomato actinomorphic. Actinomorphic. As for NCERT, it's not given, no? What are the given examples for actinomorphic?
Sir, China rose, mustard, chili, datura, punjan.
Yes, yes. So in tomato plants, family Solanaceae, actinomorphic. Right. Clear? Is it clear now? Right?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Next. Flowers are zygomorphic. Next, vowel is off inferior in the flower stalk. Question number 110.
Sir, plum.
Right. Vowel is off inferior in the flower stalk. What are the given options? Option 1 is cucumber. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 is plum. Option 4 brinjal.
Option 3, palm, sir.
Yes, option 3 is the right. Cucumber and
Sir, cucumber and guava.
Epigamous.
mean inferior, no?
Epigamous.
Yes,
Epi.
of inferior given.
Inferior
Inferior.
ovary.
Yes. Of inferior in a plum. Okay, inferior in the cucumber and guava. Right. Brinjal, superior.
Hypogamous.
Superior, right? So here they ask about ovaries of inferior in the flowers of plum. What are the other examples as per NCERT? The given examples.
Rose
Of
and
inferior.
peach.
Of inferior. Rose. Very good.
And peach.
Peach. Very, very good.
Peach.
Next. Estivation of petals in the flowers of cotton is correctly shown in cotton. The first diagram. What is the first diagram is indicate?
Waxillary.
Very good. Right. Second diagram. Second.
Velvet.
Right. Second is the valve. Third,
Imbricate.
imbricate.
Imbricate. Fourth one, twisted.
Fourth one is twisted. Okay.
Fourth
Which estimation is seen? Estimation of in cotton.
Twisted.
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 Option 4.
twisted.
Option. Which option is correct answer?
Option, sir. Twisted.
Option.
Fourth.
Fourth option is correct answer. Right. Next. The ovaries of inferior in the flowers of.
Peach.
Very good. Option 1, guava. Option 2, peach. Option 3, cucumber. Option 4 is cotton. What is the answer? The ovaries of inferior.
Peach.
Right, peach. Second option is right. Next. A pair of insectivorous plants. A pair of insectivorous plants. Option 1 is Hospita and pitcher plant. Option 2 is Hospita and the Venus flytrap. Option 3 is pitcher plant.
Option 3, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap.
Very good.
Option 3.
Option 3 is correct answer.
Option 3.
Yes, yes. Option 3 is correct answer. Next one on 4. In a cymose inflorescence, the main axis. Option 1 is terminates in a flower. Option 2 has
Option 1 terminates in a flower.
unlimited growth. Very good.
Option 1 terminates in a flower.
Terminates in a flower, right? Next. Winged petiole is present. Option 1 citrus. Option 2 is acacia.
Option 2 acacia.
Very good. Option 2 is okay. The arrangement of the leaves on stem is called
Phyllotaxy.
phyllotaxy. Option 1 venation. Option 2 vernation. Option 3 phyllotaxy. Option 4
Option
ankylosing. Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next 117. Insectivorous plants catch insects for obtaining
Nitrogen.
nitrogen. Very good.
Nitrogen.
Fourth option is the correct answer.
Sir, can flowers be formed on buds, sir, axillary buds?
Flowers?
Can be formed by axillary buds, sir.
The axillary buds or terminal buds are involved in formation of the flowers.
Sir, but in racemose inflorescence, there will be no leaves only, no, sir.
Racemose type of the inflorescence.
Yes, sir, if axillary buds is there means, in that node region, leaves should be there, no, sir. In that leaves, we cannot see only, no, sir, in racemose.
Leaves, reduced leaves are there, no? In some of the racemose type of the inflorescence, flowers are bracteate or ebracteate. Small leaf-like structure is present, bracteate, that is called. In a racemose type of the inflorescence, flowers are arranged in a acropetal order, acropetal succession. So the first formed flowers are present towards base, younger ones towards the apex. The small, some of the flowers, having the bracteate, the leaf-like structure, reduced leaf. That is bracteate. Bracteate is present means bracteate flower. In some of the plants species, the flowers do not having the bracteate. That is called ebracteate.
Sir, bracts are paired, sir.
Bracts
Are paired, sir.
So
it's
they are
here. Single. Look here.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. Next. Opposite decussate phyllotaxy is found in option 1 Calotropis, option 2 mango, option 3 hibiscus, option 4 is Nereid. What is the answer for this question?
Option 1 Calotropis.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Calotropis.
Sir, what is decussate, sir?
Decussate means how many leaves are arranged from each node of the opposite phyllotaxy?
2 leaves, sir.
Two leaves.
Two leaves.
Opposite phyllotaxy is further differentiated into two subtypes. One is opposite decussate, second one is opposite superposed. In opposite decussate phyllotaxy, the one pair of the leaves, look here, the stem is differentiate nodes and internodes. The one pair of the leaves are arranged right angle to the another pair of the leaves. Right angle to the another pair of the leaves. Right angle. So that is opposite decussate. Whereas in opposite superposite phyllotaxy, the one pair of the leaves are arranged lies to the another pair of the leaves in a opposite superposed. So as for NCERT, subtypes are not given. The main types are given. One is that's alternate. Second one is the opposite. Third one is the oral or cyclic. Yes, subtypes are not required. So opposite decussate means the one pair of the leaves are arranged right angle to the another pair of the leaves. The successive nodes. Is it
Okay.
clear? Right.
Sir, terminal bud also forms branches, sir.
Terminal bud or axillary bud?
Sir, auxiliary bud forms branches only, no, sir.
Either branches or flowers.
Sir, in NCERT they have given only branches.
Now branches even that's also forms the axillary bud is also able to form the flowers. So in this chapter, given a that's a branch. Branch and the next another chapter is there, anatomy of the flowering plants, tissues regarding the axillary bud. The axillary bud is a meristematic tissue that's involved in formation of either branches or the flowers. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it?
Thank you. Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Next, twisted estivation is found in. What are the given options? Option one is China rose. Option two is lady's finger. Option three is cotton. Option four, all of them.
All of the above, sir.
All of the above. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, flowers are always present in. Option one is cryptogams. Option two is pteridophytes. Option three, angiosperms. Option four, bryophytes. Very good, Tanisha. That's third option is the correct answer. Apurva, Shruti, Minu, Chinmay, very good. That's the third option is the correct answer. Next, question number 121. A phylloid is modified. Option one is leaf.
Petiole.
Option two is stem. Option three is root. Option four is branch. What is the answer? Leaf. Very good. First option is correct answer. Next, the ovary is half inferior in flowers of. Option one is peach. Option two is cucumber. Option three is
Option
cotton.
one peach.
Each, sir.
Very good. First option is correct answer. The flowers are zygomorphic in. Option one mustard. Option two gulmohar. Option three tomato. Option four datura.
Gulmohar, sir.
Gulmohar. Very good. Second option is correct answer.
Gulmohar.
Very good, you know. So second option, Gulmohar. Next, question number 124. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. The A is pedicel. B, peduncle. C, bract. D, petiole. One is reducer leaf. Stalk of the flower. 2 is stalk of the flower. 3 is stalk of the leaf. 4 is inflorescence axis.
Sir, option 1.
What is the answer? Pedicel is a. It's matched to the
Stalk of the flower.
stalk of the right. A. B. Peduncle.
Inflorescence axis.
Inflorescence axis. Right. Bract
Reduced leaf.
Reduce leaf.
is D. C1. Very good.
PTO, stalk of the flower.
Stalk of the
Stalk of the leaf, sir. Sorry. Stalk of the leaf.
Top of the flower.
Very good. Next, if the gynoecium is present in the topmost position of the thalamus, then the flower is referred to as.
Hypogymus.
Hypogamous.
Very good.
Hypogynous.
What is the answer? If the gynoecium is present in the topmost position of the thalamus, then the flower is referred to as. Option 1 is hypogynous, option 2 is perigynous, option 3 is epigynous, option 4 none of this. Very good, Tanisha. That's hypogynous. Next, 126. Question number 126. Ovary is said to be off inferior in which of the following conditions?
Perigynous.
Perigynous.
Option 1 is hypogynous, option 2 is perigynous, option 3 is epigynous, option 4 both 2 and 3. Very good. Second option is the correct answer. Ovary is said to be off superior, then what is the answer?
Sir, same.
Same. Very
Same.
good. So perigynous. So in perigynous flowers, the ovary is off superior, off inferior. Ovary is said to be inferior in which of the following conditions? Then what is the answer?
Epigynous.
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 Very good.
Yes.
Ovary is
Epigynous.
said to be superior in which of the following conditions? Then what is the answer?
Hypogynous.
Hypogynous. Right. Next, question number 126. In gods, axillary buds develop spirally coiled structures.
Tendril.
Tendrils. Very good. Second option is the correct answer. Phyllotaxy refers to arrangement of leaves on stem, folding leaf in the bud.
Sir,
Option
option
3
1.
both A and B.
Option 1,
Option
sir.
4 very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, 129. Identify the order where plants show alternate, opposite, and oral phyllotaxy. Option 1 is
Option 1.
Cynorhous, Calotropis, and Anirium. Option 2 is
Option 1, sir.
Nerium. Very good.
Option 1, sir.
Nerium and Calotropis. Right.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1. Cynorhous, Calotropis, and Nerium. Okay, next. I suppose identify the order where plants show oral, alternate, and opposite. Oral, alternate,
Option 2.
and opposite. Then what is the answer?
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3 is the answer.
3. Option 3.
Yes, yes. Option 3. Alternative. alternate, oral, and opposite. Then what is answer?
Into, sir.
Option 2.
Option two.
Alternative, oral to opposite. Very good.
Option
Option 2. So here they asked about that alternate to, opposite to, and oral phyllotaxy. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next. Axis of the inflorescence is called.
Peduncle.
Peduncle.
Yes, peduncle. Very good. Option 1 is peduncle. Option 2 is thalamus. Option 3 petiole. Option 4 is the pedicel. Axis of the inflorescence. Very good. First option is the correct.
Peduncle is found in both racemose and cymose, sir.
Peduncle?
Is found in both racemose and cymose, sir.
No, peduncle is forms whether it is cymose or racemose type of the inflorescence, depending upon the plant species. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Next, question number 131. Sheathing leaf base is presented. Option 1, dicots. Option 2, monocots. Option 3, bryophytes. Option 4, both 2 and 3.
Option
Option 2.
Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer.
Option 2. Monocots.
Yes, second option is correct answer. Next, leaves develop from
nodes.
nodes. Option
Nodes region. Nodes region.
nodes region.
Option 1.
Very good. Next, swollen lower end of the leaf stalk is
Alvinus.
Pulvinus.
pulvinus. Pulvinus.
Option 2.
Pulvinus.
Leguminous plants.
Very good.
Leguminous.
Leguminous
Plants.
plants.
Leguminous plants. Right. Next, the question number 134. Venus flytrap picture of Nepenthes or modification of option
Leaf.
leaves,
Of leaves.
option 2 stems,
Leaves.
option
Leaves.
3, option 4 flowers. Leaves, very good. The leaves one. Next, 135. Leaves are attached to the stem at option 1 apical meristem, option 2 internodes, option
Nodes.
nodes, option 4 axillary meristem. Nodes region.
Nodes region.
Very good. Third option is the correct answer. Okay, do you have any doubts now regarding this? Today's
No
session?
doubt.
Sure, sir.
No doubt. No, sir. No doubt, sir. Okay, thank you, my students. Tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining characteristics of androecium, gynoecium, and placentation, types of the placentations.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, no, you're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.